Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to connect cable to a TV. In this video tutorial, I'll be going over the basic steps for connecting cable to a TV. All right, so let's get right into the video and make sure you stay tuned until the end because I'm going to show you bonus footage, which is basically how to include a cable box within that connection. So first and foremost, a straight cable to a TV. So on your wall somewhere, you're going to find something like this. This is a coaxial cable outlet right there. So what you're going to want to do is get one end of your coaxial cable. It's going to look like this. It's going to basically have just a single pin inside along with the threads. So you're going to take one end of the coaxial cable. You're going to tighten it into there. Okay, now this is this is actually like some sort of high-end looking coaxial cable. Usually they'll just have like a metal piece at the end, and they're a lot harder to twist in place. But if you get something like this, it's even better. Okay, now we're going to follow this cable to the end. Here is the other end. You're now going to look at the back of your TV. And at the back of your TV, you're going to notice that there is also another outlet. Now, on this one, there's actually two, okay? Now, you're going to have to figure out which one is for the cable, but on this TV, luckily, it actually shows us that antenna 1 in is for the air and antenna 2 in is for cable. So what I would do is I would get the other end of this coaxial cable. This is the other end, and I would plug it into the TV. So one end goes in the wall, one end is going to go in the TV, and I would plug it into the antenna 2 cable, and that's for this specific TV. For your specific TV, it might be different, but for this one, I would plug it into the antenna 2 cable inlet right there. Very simple. So basically, you have a coaxial cable going from the wall all the way up to the TV. That's how you connect cable to a TV. Now, as an added bonus, if you actually have a cable box, you're going to have to include the cable box in this. So if you have like a high definition cable box, just like this one over here, then you're going to have to include the cable box in this. So as you can see right here, we're going from the wall, and then this end is actually now going to go to the cable box, okay? As you can see right there. So we've now connected it to the cable box. Let's just tighten it up nicely in place. When you're working with coaxial cable, you want to make sure that it's all the way tightened up. It just makes it easier. So you can see right here, it actually is called, in this over here, it's called cable out. Okay, which is a little bit different. Oh, sorry about that. I actually put it in the wrong one. No wonder. I was like, that's a little bit weird. You need to connect it to the cable in. Sorry about that. Just to clarify, you need to connect it to the cable in, and I'll explain why in a moment. Sorry, I was trying to rush, and rushing is never good. So basically, we have a coaxial cable going from the wall into the box. So cable in, it's going into the box. And then now from the box, you need to send a signal to your TV. So from the box, you're going to use, for instance, an HDMI cable. That's what I use over here. This actually isn't at my house, but that's what I should say. That's what the person uses over here. I don't want to reveal too many details. But you need an HDMI cable as one option. You're going to plug that into this end, okay? And the other end of the HDMI cable will end up going to your TV, okay? And I'll make it very simple in just a moment. So as you can see, I'm plugging it into the HDMI 1 port over here. Just gonna plug it in just like that. I'm trying not to push too hard. I don't want to knock the TV over, but it's also difficult to look through a camera screen and do this. All right, there we go. So basically, when you include a cable box, you have a coaxial cable that goes to the cable box. It goes into the cable box. And then that signal then gets sent digitally to a TV in high definition through an HDMI cable, HDMI right there, and that goes up to the TV. Then basically the cable is being sent from the wall, which is the source, to the box, and then it sends it to the TV. Very simple and straightforward. Sorry about the confusion with this one over here, but remember the cable is going in to the box, okay? Cable is going in to the box. And that's it. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.